Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to set up TikTok for the first time in 2026. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is have TikTok installed on your device. If it's not installed, then head over to Play Store, look for TikTok in the search bar, and then hit the install icon right next to TikTok. If you've already installed it, head over to your app drawer and then look for TikTok in the search bar and then open up TikTok on your device. After you've opened up TikTok, you can simply tap on the profile icon at the bottom right of your screen, and then if you do not have an account, simply hit sign up at the bottom of your screen. Here you can either continue with email, Facebook, Google, or your phone number. After you've entered your phone number, an OTP will be sent to you, in which you'll also have to enter your password and create a password for TikTok. The other thing that you can do is hit login if you already have an account. Here too you can either log in with Facebook, Google, or phone or username or email. For now, let's tap on phone, username, or email. Here you can either enter your phone number and log in with your phone number, or tap on email or username to log in with your username or email. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.